If you are not ready for hair growth, don't try this at home. It's very easy to make. I'm going to show you how to make this simple product using just 4 ingredients that are in your kitchen. Now, here's the tempting part of it. Yeah, it's going to feel like you're making stew, but stay focused, okay? Our goal is to grow our hair. I love the fact that it hits the 3 main keys, which are: it's highly effective, it's highly accessible, and 3, it's inexpensive. 4 ingredients in your kitchen. If you're new here, I'm Brenda Okolocha, and welcome to the safe space for healthy hair growth. Please subscribe, turn on post notification bell, share to your loved ones, and let's get this video started. Okay, let me show you all how to use this for fast hair growth. The first ingredient you need is garlic, and that's because it contains sulfur alongside with the second ingredient, which is onion. Please use the red onion, don't use the white onion. If you have the white onion, you can make use of it. It's just that you'll get better result if you use the red onion. Speaking of better results, I will recommend you use the fresh aloe vera instead of store-bought aloe vera, and that's because the fresh aloe vera is 100% natural. And please make sure to wash thoroughly before using, and that's because aloe vera contains a liquid substance that can irritate your skin, which includes your scalp. Okay, so make sure to rinse off all the poison from the fresh aloe vera, then you rinse off the dirt from your garlic and your onion, then you begin to chop it in no particular order. The reason why we are chopping it is because we need to blend it. So put all your ingredients into the blender. Okay, you squeeze out the fresh aloe vera juice and pour it into your blender. Aloe vera also helps to clarify your scalp, which will give your scalp a breathable environment to produce new hair, or for new hair growth to emerge. Now that I'm done scraping out the aloe vera juice, next we need to blend it into a very smooth paste. Please do not add water, just the garlic, onion and fresh aloe vera juice is enough. When you're done blending, next is cooking. Okay, we're going to cook this on a very low heat. Make sure to add in your oil of choice. Over here I'm adding in my extra virgin olive oil. You will get a better result if you add the one that comes in a darker bottle. You can also use coconut oil and avocado oil. All you just have to do is to measure 2 cups of any oil you are using and pour into your pot. You stir up very well to make sure it's totally mixed. Next is infusion. You need to infuse this for at least 15 minutes. Just keep on stirring it and make sure it's on a very low heat. The reason behind infusing on a very low heat is because we don't want to lose the nutrients that comes with the garlic, onion, aloe vera and oil. So please make sure to infuse for 15 minutes on a very low heat. After 15 minutes, turn down your heat and then strain it out with a strainer or a wig cap. Please make sure your wig cap is clean. Okay, don't use dirty wig cap to strain it out. If not, you alter the entire treatment. So after straining it out, next is to pour this into your applicator bottle. When you are done, this is optional. Okay, you can add in your essential oils: tea tree essential oil, lavender essential oil and rosemary essential oil. If you don't have essential oils, you can add in your fresh rosemary leaf. Okay, the leaf is going to be in there till the next day for proper infusion, and this is the next day. You can see the oil has gotten a little bit darker. It's time to use it. Your fingers may do the work when it comes to massaging your scalp, but this is more effective. You need this massaging brush. It is silicone. You can hear the sound. It's not going to hurt your scalp. Instead, it's going to help with the exfoliating. First of all, you need to activate your scalp. And how are you going to do this? You need to massage your scalp first before you apply the hair treatment oil on your scalp. Okay, so you rub it, go circular motion. After 5 minutes, it's time to apply the oil. Make sure to shake properly, okay? Then apply this directly on your scalp, which is where the hair grows from. For better results, please use 3 times in a week. You have to stay consistent. If you use this once in a week, you are not going to see results. Let me just be honest with you all. You have to use this minimum of 3 times in a week and maximum of 4 times in a week, especially for those that have alopecia. Stay consistent. Massage your scalp. If you use this treatment without massaging your scalp, you won't get a good result. You will not even get any result at all. So as you're applying, you massage for 5 minutes before you apply and 5 minutes after you apply. And mind you, you are not meant to wash this off or rinse it off. You are meant to leave it in your hair. And if you want the smell not to be too awful, please add in essential oils, or you can get fragrance and put into your oil after making it. It will help with the smell so that you will not be smelling like stew. That is it for how to use the treatment. If you are confused at any point, leave your comments down there and I'm always available to respond. We have come to the end of today's video, so please do well to subscribe and turn on post notification bell so that you don't miss when we upload new videos like this. That will be helpful for your hair growth and that of other people. Leave your thoughtful comments in the comment section and share to your loved ones. I'll see you in my next upload. Bye. This is a part 1. Part 2 will come up very soon. All right, before we finally go, I noticed we have new members on board. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for sharing the video that led you all to the channel. Guys, please check out the recent videos I uploaded on the channel. It will really help you a lot, especially for those of you that are looking towards building a healthy hair care routine. The link of how I treat my hair during the month or my hair care routine will be in the description box of this particular video you guys are watching, or in the comment section. And we're on Instagram and TikTok at the Brenda Okolocha. I also share hair care tips that are very, very effective over there, just the short version of it. If you want a well-detailed video, then you can catch me on YouTube, okay? That's where you see the long form videos where I take my time to explain things very well. So please follow us on Instagram, on TikTok, and you can also stay subscribed over here. In case you are also new and listening to me, subscribe and turn on post notification bell. Learn how to make shampoo at home, learn how to make leave-in conditioner, learn how to make different ways of hair growth oil and even hair growth tea spray. We have you covered on this channel, okay? I'll see you all in the next upload. Take care.